Welcome to Random Facts and Knowledge. Let's learn something new. Hello, nature lovers. I hope you are doing great. Get ready to be amazed by some incredible facts about our feathered friends. Let's dive right in. The hummingbird. Did you know the smallest bird, the bee hummingbird, has around 1,000 feathers? Now that's insane. The tiny ruby-throated hummingbird, weighing as much as a penny, can fly non-stop for up to 18 hours across the Gulf of Mexico during migration. A small bird but a mighty one. They are also known as the tiny travelers. The ostrich. The largest bird, the ostrich, can have up to 25,000 feathers. Ostriches are the largest and heaviest birds, standing up to 9 feet tall, 2.7 meters, and weighing as much as 320 pounds, 145 kilograms. They can also run up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour. And speaking of size, the ostrich lays the largest eggs of any bird species. These giant eggs weigh between 3 to 5 pounds and measure up to 6 inches long. That's equivalent to 24 chicken eggs. The macaws. Macaws are highly intelligent birds and have been known to use tools in the wild. Researchers have observed macaws in the Amazon rainforests using wood or metal tools to help them obtain food from tight crevices or hard-shelled fruits and nuts. This tool-using behavior is quite rare in the bird world and highlights the problem-solving abilities of macaws. Additionally, macaws form long-lasting monogamous pair bonds with their mates. These bonds can last for decades, and the pairs often engage in mutual preening and other affectionate behaviors. If one mate dies, the surviving macaw may refuse to take a new partner, exhibiting a deep level of attachment and loyalty to their previous mate. Humans should learn this thing from these feathered lovebirds. These behaviors demonstrate the advanced cognitive and social capabilities of macaws, which are often overlooked due to their striking physical appearance. Next up is the peregrine falcon. Here's the speed demon of the skies, the peregrine falcon. It can reach speeds over 240 miles per hour during its hunting dive. That's faster than a sports car. Peregrine falcons have excellent eyesight, about 8 times better than humans. They can spot a pigeon from over a mile away. Peregrine falcons mate for life, and both parents take turns incubating the eggs and caring for the young. They have a unique adaptation called baffling, where they take a sharp turn at the bottom of a dive to prevent them from crashing into the ground. Peregrine falcons are found on every continent except Antarctica, and they have a diverse range of habitats, from urban cities to remote Arctic regions. Their name peregrine comes from the Latin word peregrinus. It means wanderer or traveler, referring to their migratory behavior. These falcons have been used in falconry for centuries, and they are considered one of the most prized birds for this ancient hunting practice. The peacock and peahens. One of the most beautiful birds on the planet. Did you know that the dazzling colors of a peacock's feathers aren't from pigments? They're actually created by microscopic structures that reflect light. This phenomenon is called structural coloration, making their feathers iridescent and mesmerizing. When we talk about peacock tails, we are actually referring to their upper tail coverts. These long, colorful feathers can grow up to 6 feet in length and are used for an impressive courtship display. During this display, peacocks shake their feathers to create a rustling sound that attracts peahens. Peacocks aren't just pretty, they're loud too. Especially during the breeding season, their calls can be heard up to a mile away. These calls help attract mates and warn off predators. Despite their ability to fly, peacocks spend most of their time on the ground. They only take to the trees at night to roost and stay safe from predators. There are 3 species of peafowl: the Indian, the green, and the Congo peafowl. While the Indian peafowl is the most recognized, Indian peafowl is also known as the national bird of India. The green and Congo peafowl have their unique beauty and characteristics. The crows and ravens. Crows and ravens are among the smartest birds. They can use tools, recognize human faces, and even solve complex puzzles. Ravens can live up to 40 years in captivity, though their lifespan in the wild is typically shorter, around 10 to 15 years. While crows are known to live 7 to 8 years in the wild. Their lifespan is dependent on their ability to evade predators and to get food. There are some crows that are known to live up to 20 years. So there you have it. Some fascinating and lesser known facts about these magnificent birds are truly more than just their beautiful feathers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing nature facts. See you next time. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe, and keep learning.